Hey there, my name is Rasti and I'm a property investor and the founder of Get Rare Properties. I've been investing in properties for over 10 years and I have helped others to do the same. And in that time, I've learned a lot about what it takes to build a positive cash flow portfolio that will fund your life's wildest dreams. You know what? Property investing is simple, but successful property investing is not that straightforward. I know that a lot of people are interested in investing in properties, but the truth is that most people never get past their first or second investment. And the reason for that is that they do not have a solid strategy behind it. And that's where I come in. I've created the Get Rare model, which is a proven model to build wealth by investing in properties. This model has helped me build a positive cash flow portfolio, and it can do the same for you, just like it has helped others. I'm sharing the secret sauce in my upcoming online workshop, and the best part is it's absolutely free. That's my gift to you. That's right, you can learn all of my secrets without spending a single dollar. So if you're interested in learning how to invest in property effectively and approach wealth generation with a lot more confidence, fill in your details and let's get started. See you there.